Morning, guys. The buy NAS here. Let me see. Hope it pulls back. I'm going to go long on NAS, guys. I'm in. I know that was quick. I hope you guys are here already. Well, I don't know if I got a cold or an allergy or what. Oh, terrible today. How you guys doing, man? I'm long on NAS already. You can still get in if you want. It might drop a little more, man, but we drop so much, it's got to go more. It may come to here. Just put one here for the heck of it, for the halibut. We're in profit. Let me see what US30 is doing. US30 is the same move. Gold. I think gold might drop. Let's see. I'm up 18 pips. That's 55 right there. $55 is perfect. I could take half. If I take half, it's 25. I get 25 pips. That's good. 25. I'm satisfied with 25 pips for the day. But I'll move my stop loss into profit. Oh, I gotta get this thing. I gotta take this thing off. Hold on a second, guys. You get so used to having these things, man. I didn't even know I still had it in from when I sleep. Becomes part of your life, man. You're walking around all day with that thing in. It's like my sunglasses. Sometimes I'll have them inside them. I won't even remember I have them on. Like I won't even realize I have them on all day. Then I'll take them off. I'll be like, wow, no wonder it was so dark in here, you know? Like crazy. Now, what do you guys think? Up or down, man? Anybody in this, man? Come on now. Make sure we're live. I think there's more news today, right? Let me check. One of these days is a bunch of news. What's today? Wednesday. 8:30. Yeah, 10 o'clock we got news. We got core PCE price index month to month. So 10 o'clock we got news, guys. Let me see. Make sure we're live. All right, we took that low again. Let's see what happens here, guys. Ugh. It's probably a good spot to enter, man. I didn't get in there because I thought I missed it because when I turned on, it was already out of there. There was a fair value gap here. I came back when it came right to the fair value gap. That's when I got in. This just erased it, but it was right here. Let me see. It was like right there. When I say things like that, like fair value gap and all that, I don't know how to explain this, man, but it just points of reference, really, man. I believe that you could pretty much get in anywhere on this chart and win, depending on how you manage the trade and everything. Just saw a weird flash in here. Oh, well, it's still early, guys. It's only 9:03. We still got New York. Then we got news at 10. So let's see what happens. We're in our trade early here. We're about headed back to break even now. I think we're in a good spot. It may pull back to here. It may pull back to zero. I like to say that, but if it comes down here, I may take another buy here. I probably will. And then I'll just hold and see what happens. But that's the plan. I think we're headed north. What's up, Didi? Yeah, it's dropping, but I think it's going to go up. But we'll see. I wish I knew for sure what it was going to do, man. That'd be nice, That would be sweet. I think it's going to go up, man. It dropped a lot already. Little drawdown, it's nothing. Come on, Naz. Guys, give me a like on the video, man. That helps push it up. That makes the NAS go up when you give me a like. Let me see what US30 is doing. Same thing, man. I feel like taking a buy on US30 too, but I'll wait because we're already in NAS. But yeah, I would like to consider buying it right off this box here. We'll keep an eye on it. If NAS comes up to our TP level, we move our stop to break even, and I'll go look at US30. Maybe we'll get a shot at that. But it looks like it's going to drop. Yeah, it's going down. Now we just got to wait for a minute here, guys. Somebody gotta win. I'm going to get rid of this, guys. This was just me showing you where the fair value gap was, why I entered, you know. It came down to here. When I turned on the stream, it was already up here. So I tried to get in right when it touched this fair value gap. I ended up getting in right about here. So that's what happened, you know. As soon as I turned on the screen, I was like, oh man, let me take a buy. I'm just going to get rid of this because it's just, we don't need it. It's in the way. Too much crap on the screen now. And it got violated anyway. So this candle here violated it. This one. Sorry, this one. Looks like we might be headed back north. Let's see what happens here. It's 9. What time is it? So we got like 11 and a half minutes to New York. 12 and a half. Whatever. Yeah, 11 and a half. It's starting to move with purpose. Let's see what US30 is doing. Just got an alert. US30 just took that low. US30 is a little cleaner, man. You ever notice? Might stick to US30, man. It just seems to move a little cleaner sometimes, you know? See the way it just swept that, man, and now it just came right back up. Well, let's see what it does now. I expect it now to head north. Should come up around here somewhere. And then pull back and then head north. I'd like to get this trade squared away before we start. Oh, gotta sneeze. Sorry, guys. The mornings are bad for me, man. They've been really bad like this week. Worse than usual. It's making me wonder if I got a cold or something. All right, looks like we're working our way back up, guys. A little curvature here, so we're like this now. And back up. Let's go, baby. Uh-oh. What's the matter, Dee? I know what you mean, though. If you feel that way, man, bow out. You know? The charts will be here. These candles will be here tomorrow, man. But they'll be here later if you feel different. Just chill out and watch. Sit on your hands. You know? I get like that sometimes, too. I can just tell. I don't want to take a trade. It's just I don't like the way it's moving, or I just don't see anything. Sometimes you just can't see it, you know, like I've had days like that. You guys see me like that where I can't take nothing. I just don't feel like taking nothing. I think we're gonna be all right here today though with this. That's the way I feel right now, you know. I mean, I'm in drawdown a little bit, but that's just because I turned on the screen late and I was afraid I was going to miss the trade. So I kind of FOMO'd in. But, you know, it is what it is, man. I'm in and that's it. Let's get it. No regrets. Here it comes. Can't see. Looks like it's getting a little volume here. I had 10 minutes to New York. Then 10 o'clock, we got news. So 10 minutes, we'll see what we got. I think we're headed north, man. This blue line is about 55 pips. We'll call it 50. for sake of argument, from where I got in. Okay, it's about 55. Let's see. I'm going to take profit there and move my stops into profit. 54, it says 54.4, 55, whatever. We'll call it 50. And I'm going to take half, I think, because I think it's going to go up. I'm pretty confident it's coming at least up to here. So I'm going to take half. That's 25 pips. I'm going to move my stop loss into profit, probably right below this supply, which is another approximately. That's 16 pips, so it'll be around 14 pips or 13 pips, right around here. So that'll be another 10 pips. Well, let's see what happens, man. Let's see what happens. Not another 10 pips, you know what I mean? All right, we're coming up to our entry. Hopefully. Check gold. Wow, gold. Gold was dropping last night. Now all of a sudden, reversing. Good. US30 would have been a better trade. It's a cleaner trade. I'd already be looking to get out. Would have got in right there. That's 44 pips already. I would have been probably looking to take profit here and move my stop loss. That's all right. NAS is going to help us out today, man. Here it comes. Oh, we're almost break even. Let's see how this thing works, man. These EMAs or whatever, they crossed here, right? Telling me it's time to go long. They cross like right here. So if I was using that, I would have got in right here, which is a better entry than what I got. But let's see if how many pips if it would have won. Nothing like simple ways to do things, man. Let's get it, Dee. We're gonna kick their butts, man. We always do. We're just about break even, guys. Anyone wants to bail, now's the time, man. 2 more pips and you're I'm in profit. Yeah. Now's the time to bail, man, if you want out. It's a nice push, nice strong candle. I'm up 80 pips, 8 pips, 80 pips, 8 pips already. We just got to get through that supply now. That red box, we can get through that red box. We're good as gold, my friends. Be nice if it just, boom, went right where we wanted, right? 2 seconds. Four minutes to New York, guys. Okay, 12 pips. All right, back to break even. Okay, we're up. We're in profit. Oh, I saw 20 pips click on my screen there. I'm up about 17 now. 18. We're good. We're gonna be good here, I think, man. Good as gold. All right, there we go. We push through. Love it, man. Come on now, keep going, baby. Oh, look at that reverse. Look at that. Oh, that's the open. New York just opened. Let's see what happens here now. I'm waiting to see if it comes here, guys. Coming back up. Little retest. And boom. Now we're coming back to our entry. Almost. Yeah, we're right at break even. In profit. Didn't come down far enough for me to take an entry here. But that's okay. We're back in profit. Should be up around, let me see. When it's at that red bar, you should be close to 20 pips. If 20 pips is enough, close full, man. You know? I think it's going to go up further. That's just me, man. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before, man. It happened a couple of times. Some of you guys are saying, what are you talking about? You were wrong about that entry. Maybe I got amnesia or something. Hey, what's up, Tom? We're hanging around the entry. News at 10. Where is that? Right at break even. Yeah, I'm going to take another entry, guys. I'm in again. If it could go down a long way from here. So I'm not going to do nothing else. So I'm just going to watch. If this decides to fall from here, it could go a long way. It's just I'm willing to hold, so I don't care. But let's see what happens. Let me see GBP CHF. Scan alert. I'm going to buy pound Swiss franc, guys, too. It's just something I've been watching. Let me see how it goes. I'm in this trade, too. I don't know if you guys want to get involved in this. Up to you, but I just took a buy here. NAS is dropping, baby. I don't know where it's going, so that's not good. 2 hour. I'm just going to watch it for a bit, guys. We got news at 10. Well, I'm going to watch it till 10 and see what it does. But now, if anyone got out when we were up 20 pips, God bless, man. Uh-oh. All right. Dealer. These car guys, man, they professional salesmen all the way, man. US30. US30. I'm not going to take it because I'm already in NAS. But if I wasn't in NAS, I would take that. See what happens with NAS. Warm in here, man. At 15 minutes till the news. You know how many pips this is, just for curiosity. It's 73 pips, man. 75 pips. That's a nice trade. Let's see what happens, man. I look forward to cashing those 75 pips in once the news hits. That's how it's going to go down, my friends. That's how it's going down, man. Coffee's cold already. A little light in, man. We're coming back to our entry on the second trade. Almost there. There is a fair value gap right there blocking the entry, man. But see how it goes. Push right through it. Okay, we're right around break even. Oh, we were. There we go. Right at break even. We are in profit, my friends. Oh, we were. Now we're at break even. 10 minutes to the news. Come on, man. Let's go, baby. 952. Oops. See what this news does, man. It's going to be important. If news sends it down, we're going to have to just sit on our hands for a while. I'm going to have to sit on my hands for a while and just see what it does and pick another spot. There's really no other spot, for a long way down. I don't think it's going to go down that far, but you never know. I think we're going to go up, but you never know, man. Come on, Nash. Ba, 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 ba. 9:55. 5 minutes, guys. 4.5 minutes. Oh, it's coming down, guys. It just took that low. It's one way to look at it. Three minutes, 2.5 minutes, guys. Hmm. This line here was just the top of a fair value gap. I don't think I'm going to take an entry there. Not right now, anyway. One minute. Could that be where it wanted to go? I don't know. I figure, where was that? 30 minute? No, 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. If it came all the way down there, you figure we'll want to close that gap. You know, that would be like right here. Let's see. Maybe it just wanted to touch it. Huh? Weird, right? Let's see. All right, it's almost time, guys. What do we got? That's it. It just opened. Let's see what happens. It just the news just launched. So far, a whole lot of nothing. Come on, baby. Let's go, Nas. Get up there. Man, look at that. It came right to there, man. That was a good entry, I guess. Yeah, hindsight is always 50-50, right? 2020, 50-50. 2020. Why is everything down in the stock market, man? Do you know, Didi? Something happened, man? Trump make a mean tweet? What happened? We're gonna shoot up now, man. You know, I gotta put it out there to the universe. Shoot up. What was that? US30. US30 headed back up. Yeah. A little support here, a little support area. Oh, I feel like I'm clearing up a little bit. Come on, man. I didn't watch it either. Has to do with the GDP contract. Yeah, I didn't hear nothing. I'll check it out after. See if I can find anything, but I don't really pay much attention to that, but just for laughs and stuff. Maybe it's working its way back up. A little higher high there. Did it actually go higher, or did it? I think it did. Yeah, very little though. Come on now, push through, baby. One more push. There we go. There we go. Almost a break even on the second trade. Come on, we got to get 100 pips. We're on a 100 pip roll. US30. Let's see. US30's headed up, which is good. All right, good. Back on track. We're in profit, guys. I know we had drawdown, but we'll get there. Come on now, Nas. Let's go. Push up. All right. Keep going, baby. I saw 20 pips on my thing there. We got a long way to go and a short time to get there. There we go. It's more like it, man. GDP contract. All right. I'm up 43 pips, 44 pips. I'm at the switch point now where I could close both and be in profit. I'm past that point already. Please, just a minor pullback, I hope. Just retesting off that fair value gap. There we go. There we go, baby. Let's go. Took you long enough. 50 something pips. I'm up 50 on the second one, and I'm down 20 on the first one. So I'm positive 30 something pips, something like that. Something like that, guys. Moving every second. So you know what I mean. In other words, I could close both right now and be up like, I don't know, 25 to 35 pips. We got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm gonna get a coffee, guys. I'll be right back. Right where I left. See, if this doesn't break that plane, I'm going to close the second entry. I'm up almost 60 pips. All right, we did break that height. Okay? That tells me it wants to go higher. What's that? All right, I'm up 65 pips, something like that. I'm going to close the second entry, guys, up 60-something pips. This way, if it comes down, I'll take another entry. I got it right around here. Right, there we go. Should be close to break even now on the first entry. It's like it doesn't want to go any higher. Come on now. One more push up. I got a feeling it's going to come right to here, man. I might get out right there. That'll be about 8 pips or something like that. Profit on the first trade. And it's 10 pips or whatever, 10 pips. I mean, I get out of it. It doesn't really matter. Let's see what happens here. A little retest off the fair value gap. Now, you got anybody guys in this trade, man? I know it was a little rough going there, but we're going to get our money. You know? I'm like a Karen, man. You leave without my money, man. My money. I want to see the manager. Wow, we're going into profit here too. Nice. Very nice. Let's see what we got here. 7. A lot of pips on, not the same, huh? That's my, I'm going to take profit there and put my stops to break even. I'm up about 8 pips or 9 pips on that GBP CHF trade. I'm going to close this as soon as I get to break even, I think. Oh, there we go. We're in profit. Let's see if it hits that green line. Come on, one more push. Man, I'm going to hold for now. Let me see what it does. I got my hand on the trigger here, man. It should go to that red box at least, right? I'm up about 8 pips now. Am I going to get my 100 today? Come on now. I need like 30 pips here. Get my 100. Where's my, I had a TP here. Yeah, this blue line. I don't know if it's going to make it up there, but. It went right where I thought, though. Look at that green line. I should have just closed, you know. All right, we're in profit. I didn't close yet, guys. Thinking about it. There we go. Come on now. Push right through. There we go. Push through that red box. Ah, come on. If it pushes through that red box, we're going up, man. Come on. Beautiful. I'm up like 15 pips already. Come back, touch the EMA and go. The kiss of death, they call that, man. And it comes back and just touches that. And we're going to flip. There we go. Flip now. Ah. What do you guys think, man? You guys holding or what? Or should I just get out of this thing? Yeah, I'm getting ready to get out too, Didi. This thing might reverse, so I don't want to go back into drawdown after winning. Just give it one more chance here to break through that red box. And if it don't do it, I'm going to close. I'm not going to let it go negative again. I'll close if it's going to go negative. Come on, baby. Let's go. I think it's going to go up, man. Just give me those little BS candles, you see? There's no volume in these little candles coming down. So there we go. Beautiful. All right, guys. Right here, I'm going to take profit. And I'm going to put stops to break even. That should be 100 pips, no? Let me see. All together. Yeah, that's 100. Yeah, that's way over 100 pips. That's 125 pips to that blue line from here. I mean, I got out over here somewhere. So, but what I have, like 65? Yeah, that'll definitely be over 100 pips, at least 110, something like that. I guess I'm going to move my stop loss into now. Why wait, right? Why wait? I'm already up. I'm going to put it right here, right below that wick. I got too many lines now. I don't like too many lines. Anyway, it's 19189.6. 19189.6. Okay, guys, we're risk-free. We're up 100 pips again. 100 pips seems to be our new number. We had to hang on there for a minute. I hope nobody bailed. That's all right, though. I almost bailed a couple of times myself. There we go, guys. I'm going to take a little profit. Perfect. Went right to our blue line. Beautiful. Our stop loss is already in profit. That's a beautiful thing, guys. I love when a plan comes to fruition. Swiss franc, pound Swiss franc is up 10 pips. That's a little slower moving than NAS and gold. And that's why I like NAS and US30 and gold, man. They really move, you know? But yeah, good trade again, guys. Just, I don't know how many wins in a row. I mean, I know we went into drawdown and stuff, but, you know, doesn't matter. I mean, in the end, we win, man. I used to trade with a stop loss. I would win, lose, win, lose, win, lose. I never really got anywhere, man. I never really started compounding my account properly until I started doing this. When I get up to, when it gets to a certain point, you know, right now it seems like it's not that much money, a couple $100 here and there, but you see what I mean. I mean, you add a couple $100 to your account every day or every other day, whatever. Or even every week, $200 a week. It goes quick. Time goes fast, and everything goes fast. You know. Before you know it, you're making 1,000 a day, man. All right. If you didn't get a chance to take profit before, you're there again. Right at that area. I don't know how I always pick these areas. It always goes right to my line. I should draw the line up 1,000 pips up because it always seems to go right to that line. Let me see where we're going with the final TP here. I picked this spot. I have 19,353.6 as a TP. 19,353.9 it actually says here, but that's my final TP. I don't know if it's going to make it up there, guys. There's a lot of obstacles between here and there. I know it'll get there. I just don't know if it'll be before Christmas. But anyway, guys, I'm going to sign out. I'm going to hold. That's all. As this goes up, if it goes up more, I'll move my stop loss up. If it could break this plane here on this fair value gap, this big fat one, it's 19284. 19284. I'm going to move my stop loss right below this fair value gap. That's the plan. It looks like it's running out of steam now. So if you want to close, I don't blame you. I might close myself. We'll see how that reacts to this fair value gap. Violated it. Well, this might close it for me, man. Damn. Hate that. See, we got a strong support level here now. Came right back and retested that. See it? Oops. 1, 2, 3, and a retest. All right, but guys, I'm gonna get out of here. If it breaks through that support, maybe I'll close. We're there anyway. I'm gonna close because it's right at us. I'm almost at our stop loss. So if it breaks through there, so gotta be happy with what we got, right? Don't be greedy. Be thankful, man. See if it closes. That candle closes below there. I'm closing the trade. I'm closing, guys. I'm out. Now, whatever happens now is none of my business. Guys, thank you for stopping by. God bless you guys, man. Have a great day on purpose. Nice day of trading. That was fun. Yeah, we love 100 pips, man. I didn't get it today, though, but yeah, did okay. Got like 70 pips or something. We'll take it. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Cheers, man. Have a great day, guys.